Hello and welcome to Enoven Foods. Today we are making a crunchy and savory tea time favorite, Namak Para. These golden bites are perfect for serving with a hot cup of tea or as a light snack for guests. Let's start the recipe. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon ajwain, 2 tablespoon rice flour, and half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Add 3 tablespoon hot ghee and mix carefully until crumbly. Always use hot ghee for a flaky crispy texture. Now add 1/3 cup water and knead into a tight dough. Rub a little oil on the dough and let it rest for 20 minutes. Resting the dough improves the crunchiness. Take a portion of the dough. Roll it out evenly. And cut into small square pieces. Homemade Namak Para has no added preservatives. Ghee provides healthy fats when consumed in moderation. In some regions, Namak Para is served with chutney for extra taste. Heat oil on medium flame. Add the pieces and fry for 7 to 8 minutes until they turn golden brown and crispy. Keep the oil on medium heat to cook evenly without burning. Namak Para is a popular North Indian and Pakistani snack enjoyed during festival. The name literally means salty pieces in Hindi. Fry in small batches for best result. Your crunchy Namak Para is ready, light, crispy and full of flavor, perfect for tea time or festive gatherings. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and subscribe to Enoven Foods for more quick and snack ideas. Tell us in the comments, do you prefer savory snacks or sweet treats with your tea? See you in the next recipe.